Welcome back to Joe's Math Tools, where math is made easy. In our session today, we are solving a fractional question when we have order of operation or PEDMAS involved. And if you're ready to see how this is done, let's get started. So in our session today, we are going to be using PEDMAS, PEMDAS, BODMAS, BIDMAS, order of operation in a nutshell to solve our question. So let's start off by first finding the LCD for the numbers in our denominator. So we have in our denominator we have 8, 4, and 12. And the LCD for these numbers is going to be 24. Now, one of the rules for our order of operation steps that you must keep in mind, I know that in learning about PEDMAS, it says that addition comes before subtraction, but I want you to bear in mind that there is an underlying rule to this operation. It tells you that whenever you have addition and subtraction in the same line where there's no other operation but addition and subtraction, you always work these questions from left to right. That means whatever operation comes first, you work first. And in this case, since subtraction is placed first, we're going to be working our subtraction and then our addition. Okay, so let's begin by converting our fractions to their equivalent form. Let's begin with our first one, and since we are using our LCD, which is 24, that means all of our numbers in our denominator will be changed to 24. Let's begin with our first fraction. So you know that with 8 times 3 is equal to 24. So when we multiply 7 times 3, we'll get the product of 21. For our next fraction, we know that 6 times 4 is 24. So we multiply 3 times 6, which is equal to 18. And for our last fraction, we have 12 times 2 is equal to 24. So when we multiply 1 times 2, we will get 2. So now that all of our fractions have been converted to their equivalent form, let's begin our calculations. So we have 21 minus 18 will equal to 3/24. And then we're going to add 3/24 to 2/24, which will equal to 5/24. Okay, so there you have it. We just calculated our fractions with two different type of operations using our order of operation steps. So make sure to get some additional practice in, and I'll see you right here in the next session on Joe's Math Tools, where the aim is always to make math easy.